About to go 6 for 6.
Yeah. Baby. Little guy. Little guy.
It's good. What a pretty fish. Woo!
What's up? Come on, baby. We're faster. All you and the fish. Yep.
Because he's better than us.
Actually going back. I think we got 5! Or is that 6? That'd be 6. Super size. You just had to get that last
Sorry. Dude, I handed you the rod.
They shouldn't even grin the whole time.
That's the real one.
Keep digging, man.
Beauty.
Check it out way out.
The other one's going back in.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. I got
So, that's our limit for striper today. Another one too.
Did you pick him up?
If you sit down, Matt, you can put that thing in
Yes,
now.
please.
You don't want to.
Oh!
No, I was
Back off!
He's the quick.
Build that another line out. I want him to reel his fish in.
Nice job. Nice job. Here we go.
Woo! Talk about last. Look at his tongue bleeding right there. That's where it was. Woo!
Beauty.
That right arm is. Are we cheap?
No. We got them all.
Let's go back. Super fly. Woo!